happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing a mini me Monday, saving for my daughter's sinking funds. So each one of these challenges is going towards something that she will need or needs currently. And we're going to roll a die and see which challenge it lands on. And then that challenge will be getting 2 bills. So we're going to add in a little, well, not a little, but a 5 to this deck of $22. This should be 22. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so 22 and then the 5, we're just gonna mix it in somewhere here and we'll see which challenge gets that 5. So I have been trying to teach Aria about being grateful for the things that she has. She's struggled this week with Christmas. Like, she was upset about certain gifts, and it's just a good opportunity for us to talk about being thankful for what we have and being grateful. But oh man. Oh, I said I was getting 2 bills, right? Oops. 5. But yeah, that was definitely some hard conversations there. And oh, there's the 5. But it's important for her to learn about that. I've been trying to teach her just about, what it means. Like, when we go out and we do something fun, we can't do all the things. Like, we can't get a treat and a stuffy and whatever else she may want. Oh, so this one didn't get any love today, but that's okay. But that has been just a hard lesson for her to learn. Oh man. So I hope that having her do some savings challenges with me and giving her some money and letting her go to the store and have to decide okay, what do I want to get with this money, since I have a limited options or limited money. I can only get 1, maybe 2 things depending on how much I have. I think that will be good for her to learn, the cost of money and the cost of things and how to, I don't know what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so each one of these is 2, so we get to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And these are going towards Aria's clothes. So she should have, let's see how much she has in here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that's a pretty good amount for her to have in here. And she has some in her envelope as well that I've already budgeted. So I am going to be buying her some new clothes soon, because she really is needing some pants. She's a growing girl. Okay, and last time my video cut out, so I didn't get to show y'all that I had completed a challenge. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I feel like I guess I say this every time, but if you're new and you haven't been watching these videos, this is a challenge that I created. It's in my Ko-fi and in my Etsy shop for like a couple dollars. You can download it and print it off. It's a set of 3 little penguins playing in the snow that I thought was cute. This one is from Vicky Thinks. I think I got this on her Ko-fi. It was like a couple dollars as well to download, and it's a set of 3 little sea creatures, and I just thought these were so cute for Aria. So we've filled in one last week, and I was trying to film it, but my phone was not cooperating. So we have $3 more to fill in, 3 more circles. What are you guys going to be doing in the new year with your budgeting. Are you guys going to be changing anything up? Are you going to be focusing on certain goals? I would love to know what y'all have planned. I've been trying to kind of strategize. I mean, I guess for me it's really simple. My goal is to just pay off my car as much as I can. And beyond that, I haven't really planned much of anything. 5, 6, 7, 8. So give me some ideas. What are some good, fun ways to save money in 2025? What do y'all have planned? How much did I have? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the raindrops are $1 and the roses are $2. So we can do two roses, 2, 4. Let's just do 4 roses. This is saving way more than I thought it would. 6, 8. So what is this going to save? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, $30. It should save 30. That's a decent amount. Okay, so currently we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so we are so close to finishing this one. This one is one that I created for around Christmas time, my favorite things. And this was a set of 5. They're all on my Ko-fi. There's 5 different favorite things, challenges in there. You can download those if you like these. Okay, so next we have, oh, and this, what is this going towards? I forgot to tell y'all, or remind myself. That's just her general necessities. And this is going towards, let me see, her birthday. Okay. And we already have a good start on her birthday too, because I budgeted some, oops, I guess that was already open a while ago. All right, so we have $2 to add to this. These cute little coffee beans. $2 there. And this is going towards her college fund. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7 to add for future Aria at college. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to think about that. All right, next we have this one from Creative Ink Scribbles, and this is going towards Aria's school. This is saving $80. My goodness. All right, wait, first of all, let me figure out what we're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can color in one of these. And then, yeah, okay, we have $4 extra that we can't color in yet. So I'm going to put these like this. All right. Get in there. This This is the only thing that I struggle with the zippered ones, is that I feel like it's harder to put stuff in them. Okay, and then this one did not get anything, but we're close to finishing it, and this is for her back to school in the fall. All right, y'all, thank you so much for joining me for another mini Monday. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'm Courtney. I don't know if I said that, and this is Doodle Dollar. Please consider subscribing if you like these kind of videos, and whatever you guys are doing, I hope it's a good one.